Existing a 2018 Geely the Hao-E for 5-volt car. The owner responded that the ABS light on the instrument has been always on. He is worried that it is a fault in the braking system. So he hurriedly drove the vehicle to the 4S store at low speed for inspection. Please check and repair the fault. Learning objectives. Familiarize yourself with the malfunctions and causes of the ABS warning light coming on frequently. Master the ESC system circuit diagram reading and analyzing methods. Master the troubleshooting process of ABS warning light always on. We will learn from today through the following two parts. ABS warning light always on fault analysis. Fault phenomenon. The ABS warning light stays on and does not go off after the vehicle is started and while driving. The ABS warning light remains permanently illuminated, even after the vehicle power is turned off and started again. Failure cause analysis. Single stage reducer. Faulty wheel speed sensor. CAN network communication failure between instrument and ESC system. Failure impact. ABS system failure reduces the safety of the vehicle in emergency braking situations and increases the risk of an accident. If the failure causes other braking system components to fail as well, the overall braking performance will be significantly reduced, posing a serious threat to driving safety. ABS warning light always on troubleshooting process. Circuit sketch and reading analysis. The Geely the Hao-E 450 model comes standard with an ESC electronic stability control unit, which integrates functions such as electronic brake force distribution and brake anti-lock function. SFO2 is the ABS pump fuse and SFO3 is the ABS motor fuse, which is responsible for protecting the wiring related to it. If the fuse is blown, it will cause abnormal power supply to the ABS motor and ABS pump, resulting in the ABS warning light coming on frequently. ERO3 is the vacuum pump relay and IRO2 is the IG1 relay, which is responsible for protecting the wiring related to the vacuum pump and IG1. If the relays are damaged, the power supply to the vacuum pump and ESC system will be abnormal, resulting in the ABS warning light coming on frequently. The four-wheel speed sensors are responsible for transmitting signals to the ESC system. If the sensors are malfunctioning, the ESC system is unable to receive the signals and make a judgment, which may cause the ABS warning light to come on constantly. The ESC system is connected to the bus communication system PCAN through CAN-H and CAN-L, which is responsible for receiving signals and transmitting commands. If the line fails, it may cause the instrumentation system and the ESC system to be unable to communicate, resulting in the ABS warning light coming on frequently. Troubleshooting process. Connect the diagnostic fault instrument and the vehicle for communication. Enter the ESC module. Read the fault code DCT. If there is a DCT output, then according to the DCT repair circuit. If not, then proceed to the next step. Wheel speed sensor fault can be read through the diagnostic instrument. If there is a fault, according to the topic, ABS system inspection and maintenance of its overhaul. Set the multimeter to DC 20 volts and measure whether the static voltage of the battery is between 11 to 14 volts. If not, charge the battery, and if it is normal, go to the next step. Check that the hydraulic electronic control unit harness connector is properly connected. If it is, proceed to the next step. Check if ABS pump fuse SFO2 and ABS motor fuse SFO3 are blown. Check if vacuum pump relay ERO3 and IG1 relay RO2 are damaged. If they are normal, then go to step 6. If they are damaged, then go to the next step. Check the fuse SFO2, SFO3 line for short circuit failure. Check and repair the line. Confirm that there is no line short circuit phenomenon and replace the fuse with rated current. Check the relay ERO3, IO2 line whether there is a short circuit fault. Check and repair the line to confirm that there is no line short circuit phenomenon, and then use the same type of relay to replace the check. If the system is still faulty, then go to the next step. Operate the starter switch to bring the power mode to the OFF state. Disconnect the ESC control module harness connector CA20 and then operate the starter switch to bring the power mode to the on state. Measure the voltage of the ESC control module harness connector CA2 terminals 1, 3, 25, 28 to body ground to see if it is between 11 to 14 volts. If not, the harness will need to be repaired or replaced. If it is normal, go to the next step. Measure the resistance between the ESC control module harness connector CA20 terminals 13 and 38 and the body ground to see if it is less than 1 ohms. If not, the harness or harness connector will need to be repaired or replaced. If yes, replace the ESC control unit and then check to see if the ABS warning light is still illuminated. If the ABS is still on after replacing the ESC control unit, connect the diagnostic instrument. Select Active Test on the function test. Select the ABS system. And choose ABS warning light does not come on. If the instrument fault light is off, the system is normal. Otherwise, replace the instrumentation control unit. In this course, we have diagnosed and eliminated the faults of ABS warning light from 2 aspects of fault analysis and ABS warning light fault maintenance process. I believe you have some understanding of the whole knowledge. I hope you can apply what you have learned. Use it in TE automobile fault diagnosis and maintenance.